Are you looking to try out Shopify, but worried about getting charged at the end of your free trial? Or maybe you have already started a trial and decided it is not the right fit for your business right now. The process of canceling a Shopify free trial is straightforward, and you can do it entirely before the trial period ends without ever being billed a single cent. I will walk you through the exact steps to close your store and make sure your payment method is not charged. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are logging into the store you want to cancel, as you might have multiple stores linked to the same email. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings tab. It looks like a small gear icon. This will open up a page with numerous options for managing your store. From the Settings page, navigate to the Plan section. You can find this by looking at the menu on the left or at the top center of the settings screen, depending on your browser size. When you are inside the plan details, you will see your current plan status showing that you are on a free trial. Look for a button that says Cancel Subscription or Deactivate Store. Do not just uninstall the app on your phone. This will not cancel the billing. You must click this button to initiate the official cancellation. Shopify will then try to give you options to pause the store or switch to a cheaper plan. But if your mind is made up, just scroll down and tell them why you are leaving. Be honest, even a short sentence will do. Then click the final confirmation to deactivate the store. After you do this, your store will be closed and you will receive a confirmation email. As long as you complete these steps before the trial expiration date, you will never be charged, even if you entered your credit card details when you signed up.